check out this new Origami Leviathan I just made. Now you see the dorsal spines. Now the head isn't that great, but it has nostrils, has these flaps here, horns, eyes, open mouth. Now these two things here, these two blue flaps, got added with some extra paper, so I didn't actually plan that. Here's some test folds. Here's a test fold of the head while I was designing. It's bigger, so you can see all the details a little more. I also used a lot thinner paper for this. And here was another test fold. Now this is folded from a 1x7 rectangle, I think, but I don't exactly remember. The color changes you see here, like on the fins, those were not expected. I didn't intend to do those. They just naturally came. So that's kind of cool. Drawing a crease pattern this might be hard, as I'm not sure if everything lies flat and what the angle measures are. So I think I'll just be making a video tutorial instead. Please let me know in the comments what you think about this design, and stay tuned for the tutorial, so give it a thumbs up on the way, and I'll see you in the next video.